Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Airwallex. In order to do so, here we are at airwallex.com. What is Airwallex all about? Well, you can open a multi-currency business account to accept funds in minutes, receive funds from customers in their preferred currency, and say goodbye to costly conversion and transaction fees with an Airwallex global multi-currency business account. And if you want to get started, then you can come here, you can enter in your business email. You can also see a demo. So if you head over here, you can see the demo. Let's take a look at the pricing. So there is the free tier, and this includes open multiple accounts per entity, collect and hold in 20 plus currencies, free batch transfers to 120 plus countries, access to interbank FX rates, and we've got a variety of other features here as well. And then there is the Grow tier. For $99 a month, you get customizable multi-conditional approvals, rules-based automation for bills, approval workflows for vendors, remittance advice for bills, purchase orders and request, advanced rules-based automations for expenses. That's coming soon. You can sync bank feeds, expenses, and bills with NetSuite HRIS platform integrations, central management of finances across 3 global entities, and a single sign-on that is also coming soon. And if you're looking for custom pricing, then you can come here as well to contact sales. So if you're interested in taking advantage of Airwallex, head over to airwallex.com. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation. And we have a variety of AI promotions and recommendations. If you click on any of those links there in the link tree, you'd be helping us out as well. We'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I could personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.